Hello, 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 hello. Hi, and welcome back, and welcome to my channel. I'm Linda. Well, today in the mail, I got one thing I did get from Wish before everything got messed up, and got one thing from Wish. Then I got in the mail Spoonful 1. I don't know what that is. Help protect your child developing food allergies. I don't know what this is. So, let's see. It says for my address or for whoever lives here, so. We'll see. Gotta try to stand it up so it don't fall down. Open the box, 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 yay. Oh, yeah, I remember ordering this. There's a sample I ordered. It's a Spoonful 1. It's like a cereal for something for kids. It says it's strawberry flavor. It won't open. They dissolve, so that's good. It's really for kids, but it doesn't really have a good strawberry taste that I thought it would. It tastes okay though. It says it's really for babies, but I ordered it because it was just a sample. I'm gonna try it. Why can't I try a sample? It's supposed to be, let's see, the food allergy protection plan, whatever, blah, 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 I don't know. It doesn't really tell you too much on here, but it gives you this with it. And then it gives you this mix-in food liquid. I know it says baby, but I always want to give it to somebody. But I don't know what this flavor is or what. It doesn't say. I don't know what it is. This is strawberry. They don't taste too bad. They look red. Look pink a little bit. They're okay. Poor little kids though. They get the nasty taste and stuff. A little nasty though. A little too nasty. It's okay. And then my thing I got from Wish was $1. I'm not really going to order from them because I had too much trouble with their customer service. I only ordered one thing. Because those are $1. Put this on your phone. Supposed to stand up. Be one of those like rings to hold your phone up and stuff. No birthday stuff yet. I'm not popular or anything. But I got this that I ordered. Came pretty quick though. But I don't like Wish though because of the customer service. It's not my cup of tea. Maybe it's your cup of tea, but it's not mine. I had really bad trouble with their customer service. Really bad. Trying to cancel an order. Mistake order. They gave me such a hard time. It was something I just didn't it was a big mistake, and they gave me such a freaking hard time trying to cancel. It was hard to contact them and everything. So but this might be my last order from them. I might stick with BOGO because they look like Wish, and they look like they have some things that I want. But I got this from Wish. Who knows? I might say this stuff about Wish, but I might end up one day buying stuff from them. But that's what I got from there. It's like a sticky thing for back of your phone, or probably a tablet or something that can hold make your the ring so you can hold your phone up and stuff. So that's pretty cool. But so that's what came in my mail today. At least I got something. Yay. Baby's chewing on a bone I made yesterday. She's a happy camper. A beef bone. Looks like it's gonna be a cloudy day. It looks like maybe rain, I hope, because then it was like all of a sudden my fan went off. I'm like, what the heck? I thought the power went out, but it wasn't. I was like, what the heck? Thank goodness my fan didn't break. I have my AC too, but I'm trying not to run it too much because I don't need my electric bill to go high. But that's what I got today. These spoonful one puffs, and it says help protect your child from development and food allergies. It's really for 6+ months old, but I don't care. I tried it anyway. So hope you all have a good day. Thank you for coming to my channel. My address is down below if you want to mail anything for me to try, or mail anything for my doggy. You don't have to, but I'm just saying my address is down below. Leave me comments or subscribe so I can then go live. That would be good. I look like shit today though. I just woke up. I'm going to check the mail. I'm trying to feel better though. I still feel crappy. Bye. Bye. Here's baby. There's baby. There's baby. There's baby. There's baby. There's baby. I had to put her on there. Bye. 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 Thank you for coming to my channel. Hope you liked it, and hope you want me to try out more things and samples. I'm gonna get a Blue Apron box coming to cook, because I got a free box, so I'm getting for 2 days free from them a box. And I don't know, my birthday's Tuesday, so that's how my birthday goes. I get nothing in the mail. It's always that way. My birthday's always blah. Oh, thank you for coming to my channel. Hope you liked it. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.